When it comes to buying Whale, there are a few things you should know before you make the leap. Whale is a powerful software, but before diving in, you need to understand how it compares to the competition and whether it's right for your needs. Let's get into it, and trust me, you'll want to stay tuned until the end to hear everything you need to know. First off, Whale is an all-in-one platform that targets high-level automation for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Unlike many competitors, it stands out with its user-friendly interface while offering advanced features that typically require multiple software solutions. If you're used to juggling tools like Zapier or HubSpot for automation, Whale provides an integrated approach that's much more efficient. Next thing, Whale offers comprehensive customer relationship management or CRM capabilities. While most CRM systems can track leads and manage client interactions, Whale takes it a step further. It integrates with your workflow, automating follow-ups, lead qualification, and even data entry. What sets it apart from something like Salesforce is its intuitive design, making it easier for non-technical users to leverage automation without a steep learning curve. The third thing to know about Whale is its pricing structure. Unlike competitors that charge hefty fees for each feature or user, Whale offers a transparent pricing model. This is a huge win for companies with fluctuating team sizes, or those just getting started with automation. The value here is significant, as it provides access to premium features at a fraction of the cost of other CRM platforms. The fourth thing is Whale's analytics and reporting tools. Many CRM systems offer basic reports, but Whale goes deeper by providing real-time insights that are customizable. You can track everything from customer behavior to campaign performance, and the best part is how actionable these insights are. You can immediately adjust your strategies based on the data, something that competitors often fall short on. Now, another important aspect of Whale is its customer support. It's easy to overlook this, but the support team is top tier. While many software platforms leave you navigating through FAQs or chatbots, Whale offers live support, and users rave about the quick responses and helpful team. This is crucial if you're implementing automation across your business for the first time. Compare that to something like HubSpot, where support is often tiered and can be a headache for small businesses or startups. Next up is Whale's integration capabilities. Whale plays well with other tools, but it truly shines in how effortlessly it integrates with email marketing platforms, social media, and third-party tools. This means you don't have to sacrifice the tools you already love to take advantage of Whale's power. Whether you're using Google Analytics, MailChimp, or even Stripe, Whale can seamlessly bring all of your data together. The last thing worth mentioning is Whale's scalability. Many CRM platforms excel for small businesses but struggle when it's time to scale. Whale was designed with this in mind, making it perfect for growing companies. You'll have no problem expanding your workflows and automating even more aspects of your business without hitting any roadblocks. Unlike other software that might require you to migrate data or change tools entirely, Whale's scalability ensures you'll be set for years to come. So, if you're considering Whale and want to try it out, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to a free trial, but you'll also enjoy exclusive benefits to make sure you're getting the most out of this powerful software. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your business operations and unlock new levels of automation.